If you are planning for a baby and planning a baby through an IVF, this video is for you. And if you are looking for answers that is IVF 100% successful, watch the video till end. Hi, I'm Dr. Rubina, gynecologist and an IVF specialist. Most of the patient who comes to us thinks they come with a preset notion that IVF is 100% successful. Now, I want to tell you all that we all know that nothing in life is 100%. But the important thing is to know, as an individual patient, what is the success rate according to your clinical condition. So mostly everybody keeps saying that, IVF success is between 40 to 50%. I totally disagree. Now, this is the success rate of the clinic, which applies to all the patient undergoing IVF treatment. It applies to the group of patient going for an IVF in that particular clinic. Now, this cannot be generalized. How can we generalize this? A patient who is 25 years old with a tubal block has a better success as compared to patient who is 25 years old but with the severe endometriosis, who has much lesser success rate. Now, similarly, if 40 years old lady comes to us with a with a reduced ovarian reserve and wants to go for an IVF with her own eggs, the success rate is just 10%. And also, if she opens up the window of donor egg, the success goes to 50%. So all of these conditions cannot be compared at all. Success rate vary according to the condition, according to the age of the patient, and also the IVF clinic. We at our center always tell the patient as per the success rate, as per their clinical condition, which makes sense. Why will you want to know about other success rate? You would definitely want to know about your chances of getting pregnant with IVF treatment in relation to your clinical condition, which actually makes sense. Now, there are patients who get pregnant in the first cycle. And there are patients who take 1, 2, or 3 or more cycles to get pregnant. But persistently trying is one of the important rules of success in IVF. Now, yes, there are few things which you can do before starting of an IVF treatment, which can improve the success rate, like by selecting a IVF center which has all the infrastructure under one roof, where you don't have to travel, you don't have to go for blood tests, you don't have to go for an ultrasound to some other clinic, and ovum pickup or embryo transfer to some other hospital. You can also select your fertility doctor and embryologist wisely. Age is a very important factor. When patient comes to us, they feel that that IVF is only the last resort. This is not correct. For whatever indication, whatever age you have, if you are told to go for an IVF, you must go for IVF without delay. Other can be lifestyle modification, like you can start practicing healthy lifestyle, quitting smoking, alcohol, eating from outside, practicing yoga, regular exercise, losing some weight before going for IVF is always helpful in success of IVF. This will improve the success of IVF. Practicing all this at least 3 to 4 months before IVF will surely help you get pregnant. And this has to be done by both the partners, because we need a good egg, we need a good sperm to make a good embryo. And this is how we can give a better success rate. Other conditions like PCOD, diabetes, thyroid, all of this have to be under control before starting of an IVF. You can also start few supplements like vitamin D and folic acid before the starting of IVF. Go for a routine baseline ultrasound, get your ovarian reserve assessed and your uterine cavity assessed, so that when you are going for an IVF, there should not be any problem. This is also important for an IVF specialist to plan your treatment meticulously. So if you are watching this video, please mention in the comment section about how many times did you undergo IVF and in how many cycles did it happen for you. It will help other people watching this video and will motivate them to fight their journey. If you have any IVF related query, please feel free to reach us. You can call us, you can email us, or you can log on to our website www.graceivf.com. We will be happy to help you.